How to activate TextNow SIM card. First of all, make sure you have received your SIM card and have your phone fully charged and ready for setup. Insert the SIM card carefully into your device, following your phone's instructions for SIM placement. Next, open the TextNow app on your device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store before proceeding. Log into your TextNow account using your registered email and password to access your account features. Once you are logged in, the activation process will begin automatically in most cases, so wait patiently for it to complete. After a few moments, a notification should appear in the app confirming that your SIM card is activated. If the notification doesn't appear or the activation fails, contact TextNow customer support for further assistance to ensure your SIM card is properly activated. Once your SIM card is successfully activated, you can immediately start using TextNow for free calls, texting, and managing your contacts seamlessly. Now you know how to activate TextNow SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.